You're feeding your baby. They seem calm, so you pick up your phone just for a second. But something is happening to your baby in that moment that most parents have no idea about. And once you know, you can't unknow it. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what your baby experiences when you look away, what the science actually says, not the guilt, and what you can do about it without throwing your phone away. In 1975, a researcher named Edward Tronick ran one of the most important baby studies ever conducted. He asked mothers to do something simple: interact normally with their baby for 2 minutes. Then, stop. No expression, no response, just a still face. Within seconds, the babies noticed. They tried smiling, pointing, reaching out, doing everything they could to get mom back. And when nothing worked, they fell apart. In just 2 minutes. Here's why this matters. When you look down at your phone, your face goes still. Your expression flattens. Your eye contact disappears. To your baby, it looks exactly like the still face experiment. They don't understand what a phone is. They only understand that the most important person in their world just disappeared. And their nervous system responds the same way it did in Tronick's lab, with stress, confusion, and an urgent need to get you back. But here's what the research also shows. It's not about being perfect. Tronick himself said, "The repair matters more than the rupture." What that means is, it's not the moment you looked away that shapes your baby. It's the moment you looked back. Put the phone down, make eye contact, smile. That reconnection, that's what builds trust. So what does this actually mean for real life? You don't need to stare at your baby every waking second. That's not realistic, and it's not what the research says. What it does say is this: try to be present during the moments that count. Feeding, eye contact play, that window right after they wake up. And when you do pick up your phone, come back with intention, a smile, a word, a touch. That's enough. You picked up your phone today. So did every other parent watching this. That doesn't make you a bad parent. It makes you human. What matters is that you came here. You wanted to understand your baby better. And that is exactly what your baby needs most.
If this helped you understand your baby a little better tonight, there's a lot more where that came from. New video every week. You've got this, parents.